the problem or opportunities, he has no idea about the alternatives, and he has no idea about the consequences. These are the conditions in which someone can make a decision. So it's an activity. You are not required to write it on paper. This is a situation-based activity. मैं इसको थोड़ा समझा देता हूँ ना. It's all about the train track and the children. There are some children who are playing on the two railway tracks. First railway track is used, and second one is disused. Okay, many kids are playing on the used track while the one kid is playing on the unused track. So the train just came and you are beside the interchange. You know what is the interchange? Where from we can change the track of train. So you are beside and you can change the track of the train towards the disused track to save the most of the kids. So however, that would also mean that lone child playing by the disused track would be sacrificed. So let's take a pause to think what kind of decision we could make. You have to analyze the situation and you have to think and reflect, decide your answer, and you have 30 seconds. You have to think, you have to think the situation, and finally you have to decide what will be your decision. Either you will change the track of the train, either you will let it go to one track.
Change the track.
Okay, just think. I will ask you for the answer. Okay, you have to analyze the situation, you have to think and reflect, you have to decide your answer. Okay, class silent please, be attentive. So what you have decided? How many of you have decided to change the track of the train? Okay, you have, you could make the train to change its track.
Yes.
You. And the rest of? Will you let it go on its track? You have only two choices. Either you have to change the track, either you have to. Hey, but you are just beside the interchange and you have no time to stop or do anything.
We have to change the track to face the minimum loss.
Be serious. Be serious, please. I'm just asking कि क्या आप उस ट्रेन का ट्रैक चेंज करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे? For the sake of many lives, you have to sacrifice one life.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Okay, most of the people might choose to divert the course of the train and sacrifice only one child. As you made the decision to save most of the children at the expense of only one child was rational decision. Okay, and the most of people would make morally and emotionally. Let's see. But have you ever thought that the child choosing to play on the disused track had made the right decision?
Yes.
Okay, so to play a safe side place or to play a safe place. Nevertheless, he had to be sacrificed because of his ignorant friends, right? Who choose to play where the danger was. Okay, let's see. This kind of dilemma happens around us every day. In the office, in the community, in the politics, and especially in a democratic society, the minority is often sacrificed for the interest of the majority. No matter how foolish or ignorant the majority are, and how farsighted and knowledgeable the minority are. Okay, if the train was diverted, then lonely child would be definitely die because he never thought the train could come over to the track. Moreover, the track was not in use probably because it was not safe. If you could make the change the track of the train, might be you put the sacrifices of hundreds and thousands people who are in the train may be in danger. क्योंकि this was disused track, अगर उस पे आप ट्रेन का जो है ट्रैक चेंज करेंगे तो लाजमी ये पटरी से उतर जाएगी. Okay, so while we are all aware that life is full of tough decisions that need to be made, we may not realize that hasty decisions may not always be the right one, as you made. So remember that what's right isn't always popular, and what's popular isn't always right. So don't be afraid to take decisions. Anyone can read the line?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, Hina, please.
Everybody made mistakes, that's why they put erasers and pencils.
Eraser and the pencil. Okay, what are your questions, please? Okay, these are the tags and references.